Having multiple sclerosis can impact all aspects of your life, including work. As you'd be aware, having MS doesn't mean you can't do your job, but sometimes people are treated inappropriately because of their medical condition. It's really important that you understand that you have rights. If you feel like you're being treated unfairly, you can seek assistance from MS Employment Services, or you can go and speak with a lawyer. Unless your symptoms have the potential to impact your work or to create an unsafe workplace for you or your colleagues, you shouldn't feel like you have to disclose your condition to your employer. Ultimately, the decision of disclosure is one for you. There's a big difference between being unable to do your job and needing support or adjustments so that you can do your job. Disability discrimination law prevents employers from dismissing, passing over, demoting, reducing pay, or subjecting you to any other less favourable treatment because you have a condition. If you can't perform the essential requirements of your role, then your employment might be at risk, but only after your employer has taken certain steps. It's really important that if you think your employer is going to take those steps, that you seek legal advice. If you're taking time off work for sick leave, then you'll need some evidence, like a doctor's certificate. Also, if you ever discuss your condition or your symptoms with your boss or a colleague, make sure you keep a record of that conversation. Make sure that record is in a paper diary or on your personal email, and never store that sort of information on a work IT system. You may have to see a doctor chosen by your employer if it's reasonable and there is a lawful basis for your employer to direct you to see that doctor. Usually, that's to assess if you are able to perform the essential requirements of the position. Your employer is obligated to pay for consultation and allow you paid time off to attend the doctor. There may be many reasons why it's not reasonable or not lawful to send you to a doctor. It's important to seek legal advice as soon as your employer tells you to see a doctor they recommend. You may also want to advise your own doctor that your employer is making you see theirs. Refusing to do something that your employer directs you to do, like see their doctor, can have significant consequences. So if you're directed to do something but it doesn't feel right, make sure you seek legal advice before refusing. Before making any decision to leave your employment because of your MS, it's really important to seek legal advice so that you can make a fully informed decision knowing all of your options. Also, how you leave your employment can have a significant impact on your benefits and entitlements down the track, and your lawyer will be able to assist you to navigate that process.
The MS organisation provides MS information, advice, support and services. This includes information about the disease, symptom management, support for people who are newly diagnosed, adjustment support and help to navigate the NDIS. To get in touch, contact MS Connect on 1800 042 138.